Hi all, today I am sharing the recipe to make chicken momos at home. This is a very detailed recipe, so if you are making momos for the first time, do watch this recipe till the end. First I am going to make dough to make momo sheets. Here I have taken 1 cup or 250 grams of maida, add a little bit of salt and 1 spoon of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoon of oil. I am going to mix everything nicely. Now I am going to take water little by little to knead a dough. The dough here is not very hard, neither very soft. It is similar to the one you make for rotis or chapatis. So knead the dough very nicely for approximately 5 minutes, and then we are going to cover it and let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. While it is resting, let's prepare the filling. Here I have taken some chicken keema, around 250 grams of chicken keema. Now into this I am going to add vegetable. I have taken food processor to prepare the chicken filling at once. I am adding all the vegetables with the chicken keema. So I have added some capsicum, some cabbage, 2 green chilies, handful of coriander leaves. You can also add spring onions if you have. I did not have them, so I am adding coriander leaves, some carrots, also a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now adding some salt, around 1 spoon, and 1 big tablespoon of soy sauce. Now all I have to do is run the food processor and the filling would be ready. So the filling is prepared at once. If you have mixer grinder, you can prepare this filling in mixer grinder also. You can use pulse mode if you don't have food processor to make this in mixer grinder also. Now the dough is also well rested. Let's go ahead and make momo sheets. See, instead of making one single momo sheet at one time, I like to prepare 4 to 5 momo sheets at one single time. So for this, what I do is I take one medium to large size ball, a little larger than a lemon size ball. So around this size ball in my hand and start making roti or chapati like you normally would. So once you get a chapati which is very thin, once you roll out a thin chapati, at that point I am going to take a lid or a katori, whatever you have circle shape, and cut out momo shapes like this. Circle shapes like this. So this way I would have 4 to 5 momo sheets ready at once. So this is my easy way of preparing many momo sheets at once. I'm going to place 1 tablespoon filling inside the momo sheet and then start securing the end. For this I am going to take the outer circle inside and secure it and gather it like pleats of sari. So this way I will be securing it and gathering it. So after I gather the last pleat, I will secure it very tightly and give it a twist. This way momos are ready. Now let's start steaming the momos. You don't want your momos to stick to the pan, so you have to grease the steamer nicely with oil. And also while placing the momos, place them a little bit far away because they're going to double in size. So that they cook nicely, place it a little far. And then put it in a steamer, hot boiling water, and cover it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So check after 10 minutes. It would have changed its color, but for it to completely cook, I would recommend for cooking it at least 12 minutes. When you see that the whole momo has changed its color and texture, you can turn it off and serve it hot along with Szechuan chutney or mayonnaise, tandoori mayonnaise of your choice. So I hope you liked this video. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.